Where is G? Hey guys, I took G's ball, soccer ball, play baby ball, whatever this is. And hopefully, with me taking his ball, he's finally on time. Where is G? He's still late again?
All right, guys, later. I gotta go do this tutoring thing. You know, Games Friday, gotta get my grade up. You know, same old thing. You know, Kay, she's really cool. She doesn't mind if I'm a little late. Yeah, she's like very patient. I mean, so great, so smart, cool. Hey, Kay, hey, I was looking for my ball. I had to find this one.
What's even this?
Coach
You
said-
can't even kick this.
Coach said I can touch every ball except for the soccer ball. And I couldn't find this one.
Yeah, I took it so that way you could be on time today, and you're still late.
Well, I had to get a little practice in. Well, what's up? ¿Qué pasa? Or should I say, mi nombre es G.
Fire.
What? You actually remembered? That's awesome!
I know. Tutoring is over for today. Later.
No.
Guys, wait.
G, get back here.
Wait.
It's not over.
Well,
You literally just went over what we learned last week.
Oh,
Now,
okay.
we're actually going to go over something new today. Are you ready?
I think I am.
All
Let's
right.
get started.
So today, not only are we repeating what we learned last week, hola, mi nombre es, and then you say your name. But not only that, but we're actually gonna ask each other how you're doing today. So, hola, mi nombre es Kay, y estoy muy bien.
That sounds like a lot. That wasn't on the test. I thought we were gonna learn one word at a time.
Well, yeah, bien was on the test, and that's good.
Oh,
So that's what we're learning.
Okay.
We're learning good.
Good. And well.
Sure.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
So, good is bien
Bien.
or bueno.
Bueno.
You can use it.
Wait, I got that one wrong, didn't I? I think I
You
said,
got everything wrong.
I did. But I think that I said bueno was burrito?
Definitely burrito, and that's 100% wrong because bueno is good. And
Burritos are good.
well, yeah, they're good, but you have to pay attention in order for us to pass this test.
So you failed it too?
No, I got an A plus 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 plus.
Oh, because I was gonna find a new tutor.
Well, good luck finding a new tutor. And if you wanted a new tutor, you should have said that at the beginning.
No, I don't. I need you.
All right, well, pay attention.
Okay.
All right. Hola,
Hola.
mi nombre es Kay. And if I ask, or if somebody else asks, how are you doing? You can either say bien, which is good.
Bien.
But if you're saying something is good, like, that food is bueno, you could say, that food is good. So, bien, bueno, both of those mean good.
So what really means good?
For example, if I say, how are you doing? You say, bien.
Bien. Because
Yes.
I don't taste good like a burrito.
Exactly.
So I wouldn't say bueno.
Exactly. If you're eating a burrito, you can say, oh, this burrito is bueno.
Bueno. Got it. So if you're talking to a human that doesn't taste good, you say bien. But if you're eating a delicious burrito, whether it's beef, bean, or just cheese, it's bueno.
Bueno.
Got it.
So remember, burrito, bueno, good.
So I
all
should have
good.
got that right on the test.
Oh, well, not really. You still said burrito for bueno. Burrito in Spanish is burrito. That's actually the same thing. So like,
So
you actually don't have to remember that one. Oh, it's just bueno, burrito, bueno,
So-
burrito. It's just like the same.
bueno, burrito, bueno. All good.
All good.
All good.
Exactly.
Well,
So, great job. You got another word right, but you
Sweet.
better not forget it because
I won't.
these are going to be on the test again this week.
I got it.
Hello.
Hello. Hola.
Bueno.
Burrito. But good burrito.
Good.
There you
Good
go.
job. Okay, that's good. Sounds a little bit better. I think that we're definitely looking at an F here.
Yes, F minus to an F, then an F plus.
Or maybe even a D or C? I don't know.
Wait.
It's looking good.
Pump the brakes.
Or should I say, looking bueno.
Ah, I like what you did there. Or looking burrito. No?
Still not right. Definitely a D here.
D. Well, we'll see you on the next one. Have a bien day. Is that right?
Ten un buen día.
What? Have a burrito day.